Hi, my name is Yadi, and today's lesson is going to be through a collaboration of the Center of Interactive Learning. Today's lesson is Nutrition and Fitness, about the healthy hearts from grade 4 through 6. This lesson focuses on 5 components of physical fitness and their importance. Those components are the cardiovascular, including the heart, muscle and strength, flexibility, body composition, and fitness principles. Students will collaborate with the live virtual webcast program where students will get an experience to learn about how physical fitness is important in a healthy body. Here is a mini video of how it would look. It is a minute long. Here the lady explains how the heart is one of the most powerful chambers of the body, where it pumps blood through the biggest vessel called the aorta. Here she explains how it takes 1 minute for a drop of blood to go all the way down to your feet and back to the heart. Here she also shows the actual heart and how it really looks. She also compares how the heart actually does look like a heart shape. That's why they call it a heart. I thought that was really cool to bring in. So it's a really nice video, kind of giving a little bit feel of what the lesson will be about. And in this lesson, students will be required to have a laptop so that we can continue the lesson with activities for students. Lastly, I found this collaboration interesting because it teaches the students the importance of taking care of their own body and how to develop their skills to set goals of a healthy lifestyle. Health is an important subject that all human beings should understand because without a healthy body, you can't function correctly. And that's something that I wanted to introduce to the students now so that they can live long lives and healthy lives as well. Thank you. And that was the lesson of nutrition and fitness with healthy hearts.